Hey everyone, welcome back to our online course enrollment photo series. In the last lesson, we created our database and tables using SQL commands. This is our database and these are the tables. Today, we will set up our project folder structure and create key files. This is what today we will be doing, our folder structure for course enrollment photo. So we will create these 3 files. Let's dive in and get everything ready for our next step. We come and create our folder. See, htdoc course enrollment photo. That is our folder. After that, VS Code. Then we open that folder. We will start with config.php. Here we are doing database configuration. We start with our variable host, and our variable host is localhost. Default MySQL username becomes root. In MySQL, we leave password as empty. Our database name, course enrollment. Database name is this one here. Now the database name. So here we are creating connection. We'll have host, user, password, and DB. Then we check for this connection. Then we are through with our config.php, register.html. Here we are creating a form that will enable the user to register. We are using HTML as you know it. We call the title user registration. Our heading is register. For form action, register.php, it will send data to register.php. Then the method equals to post. In our browser, we want to see our form, localhost / folder name / file name, that way. And we have our form register, username, email, and password. When we press this register, we'll save data that is to register.php. Then register.php will connect with the database, and this, the username, email, and password will be stored in our database in table users. Instead of typing the configuration, we'll say require config.php if server request method equals to post. Check if the form was submitted using post method. It's supposed to collect data from HTML form, click data, username, email, and password. So here in password, we need to do what we call password hash. So by password hash is where if we write password in database, it will be written in a hash manner. That is, you can't read the password. SQL equals insert into the table is users, then have username, email, password. For values, we will leave these ones. We call them placeholders. We are telling MySQL to get SQL ready with placeholders. So for this statement, it binds the actual values to the placeholders. And these SSS means that these all, they are data type string. So if this statement executes, these ones here, after preparing, then binding the parameters. So if statement executes, echo registration successful, else echo. So we have our 3 files. Let us now check if the user can register using the HTML file. HTML file is saved in register.php, and register.php sends the data to our database. So after having our 3 files, now we go and try to register, then check if the data will be stored in our database. So I will put username, Lucy at gmail.com. then password. If you check the password I'm having this, then I register. Please enter a part following, so it knows it's an email, so it must contain gmail.com. Registration successful. We shall remove them later. Then we can try to go and check in our database if we will find that user by the name Lucy. In our course enrollment, we'll come to table user. You can see we have this user done at gmail.com, and also we have Lucy at gmail.com. If you remember the password, what we put as the password, and compare to what we are having, this is what we are calling the password hash. And by default, we also said that row by default is student. So if we want to make this person admin, we will come and set the person admin manually. So if we need to remove a user, we can delete the user. If we need to edit, we can edit. In our next session, we will continue on login.php and login.html. You have an account, then you need to log in. If you enjoyed the session, remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and give your opinion on what you think we should do next. Goodbye.